Sext message. Sext message. She's obsessed with me. We hardly ever talk. She says she misses me, 'cause she's seen a baby in weeks. This is killing me. I wanna touch your body, but I can't. So grab your camera phone, baby, and show Big Daddy what he's been missing. All day you've been blowing my phone up with your freaky little pictures. You know you're killing me, girl. The things I'm gonna do to you, you just don't know. Can't concentrate on nothing, shorty, and I ain't frontin'. You got me going crazy. I'm gonna do to you, I can't explain in words. I'm on the way, just keep yourself back shots.
Damn, you gotta see another one of these right here.
With them boy shorts on, teasing me with them double D's.
Damn, girl.
Stuffed in the lace Vicky bride. Now she's sucking on the lollipop. Oh, my God, shorty, you're killing me. Please don't stop. All day you've been blowing my phone up with your freaky little pictures. You know you're killing me, girl. The things I'm gonna do to you, you just don't know. Can't concentrate on nothing, shorty, and I ain't frontin'. You got me going crazy. I'm gonna do to you, I can't explain in words. I'm on the way, just keep yourself on. Pull out the sexy lingerie,
Pull it
let
out,
your
baby.
head down and strike a sexy pose, babe.
Just make it look good for me.
I've been gone for a while and ain't had the time to hit yourself on
I'm on my way back though, baby.
Just make it hot.
Make it hot for me.
Have me wanting to drop everything and come running back to you.
Here I come.
Just take some flicks, some naughty pics, and make sure you send me copies of your photo shoot. All day you've been blowing my phone up with your freaky little pictures. You know you're killing me. The things I'm gonna do to you, you just don't know. Can't concentrate on nothing, shorty, and I ain't frontin'. You got me going crazy. I'm gonna do to you, I can't explain words. I'm on the way, just keep yourself on.
All day you've been sending me these messages. You know what you're doing. You done woke him up. Now you gotta put him back to sleep.
Sext message.